Hello friends, welcome to Danlaw. In today's lecture series, we are going to study about the chapters of IPC. As we know that there are 23 chapters in IPC. So these chapters are chapter 1, Introduction, section 1 to 5. Introduction, remember, chapter 1 contains introduction between section 1 to 5. Chapter 2 between section 6 to 52A, that is general explanation. Chapter 3 of punishment between section 53 to 75. Chapter 4 general exceptions between section 76 to 106. Chapter 5 of abatement section 107 to 120. Very important chapter. Chapter 5A. Chapter 5A. Very important chapter. Criminal conspiracy between section 120A and 120B. There are only two sections, 120A and 120B. Chapter 6 of offences against the state. Offences against the state between section 121 to 130. 121 to 130. Remember. Chapter 7 of offences relating to the Army, Navy and Air Force. Army, Navy and Air Force discussed between chapter 131 to 140. 131 to 140. Remember. Chapter 8 of offences against the public tranquility. Public tranquility. Tranquility means Shanti. Public tranquility. It is discussed between the chapter or the section between section 141 to 160. 141 to 160. Chapter 9. Chapter 9 is of offences by or relating to public servants. Offences by or relating to public servant between section discussed between section 160 to 171. Come to chapter 9A. Chapter 9A is very important chapter. Chapter 9A of offences relating to election. Offences relating to election between section 171A to 171I. 171A to 171I. Remember. Come to chapter 10 of contempt of the lawful authority of public servant. Section 172 to 190. 172 to 190. That is chapter 10. Chapter 10. Contempt of lawful authority of public servant. Come to chapter 11. Chapter 11 of false evidence and offences against public justice. False evidence and offences against public justice between section 191 to 229A, 229A. Remember, very important section. Chapter 12 of offences relating to coin and government stamps. Coin and government stamps between section 232 263A, 232 263A, 232 263A. Remember, chapter 13 of offences relating to weights and measures, section 264 to 264, 264 to 267, 264 to 267. Chapter 13 of offences relating to weights and measures, section 264 to 267. Come to chapter 14. Chapter 14 of offences affecting the public health, safety, convenience, decency and morals, section between section 268 to 294A, 268 to 294A. Chapter 15 of offences relating to religion, offences relating to religion between section 295 to 298. Very important chapter. Remember, 295 to 298 of IPC discuss the offences relating to religion. Come to chapter 16. Chapter 16 discussed in various parts. So the chapter 16 of offences affecting the human body, section 299 to 377. First one, offences affecting life, is between section 299 311. Second one is miscarriage, injuries to unborn children between section 312 to 318. Hurt between section 390 to 338. Wrongful restraint and wrongful confinement between section 339 to 358. Kidnapping, abduction, slavery and forced labor between section 359 to 374. Sexual offences like rape, 375 to 377. Remember, very important section. Chapter 18 of offences relating to documents and the property marks, section 463 to 489E. And here, offences relating to documents and the property marks. Remember, classified into two parts. When we are going to discuss the IPC on that time, we will study these sections, what this section talks about. Okay. Come to chapter 19. Chapter 19 of the criminal breach of contract of service, section 492. Okay. The criminal breach of contracts of service, 490 to 492. Chapter 20 of offences relating to marriage, section 493 to 498. Okay. 493 to 498. chapter 20A of cruelty of husband or relatives of husband, section 498A, as per examination point of view, and in every examination it has been already asked for chapter 20A that talks about cruelty of by husband or relatives of husband, section 498A. Okay. Chapter 21 of defamation, section 499 to 502, 499 to 502. Already it has been discussed about the defamation in the law of torts. So the chapter 21 of defamation, section 499 to 502, it has been discussed here in IPC. So defamation. So come to the chapter 22 of criminal intimidation, insult and annoyance, section 503 to 510, 503 to 510. Chapter 22 of the criminal intimidation of insult and annoyance, section between section 503 to 510. Chapter 23, attempts to commit offense, 511, last section of IPC. Okay. So thank you for today's lecture series.